Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to bring you an in-depth review of the HP 2024 Elite Mini 800G9 PC Business Desktop Computer. This desktop is designed to deliver high-performance computing in a compact form factor, making it an ideal choice for business professionals. You may check the link below for more info and best price available. Let's dive into what makes the HP Elite Mini 800G9 a standout device. First off, let's talk about the design. The HP Elite Mini 800G9 features a sleek and ultra-compact design that fits perfectly into any professional workspace. Its small footprint ensures it doesn't take up much desk space, making it ideal for those with limited space. The robust build quality is evident, with the durable chassis that ensures longevity and a premium look. The modern and minimalist design allows it to blend seamlessly into any office environment, whether it's sitting on a desk or mounted behind a monitor. The highlight of the HP Elite Mini 800G9 is its powerful performance. This desktop is equipped with the latest Intel Core processors, which deliver exceptional performance for a wide range of professional tasks. Whether you're working on complex projects, multitasking, or running demanding applications, the HP Elite Mini 800G9 can handle it all with ease. The high-speed processing ensures that your workflows are smooth and efficient, allowing you to complete tasks faster and with greater accuracy. Paired with the powerful processor is a robust set of components that enhance the overall performance of the HP Elite Mini 800G9. It comes with ample RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and quick access to frequently used applications. The high-speed SSD storage provides fast boot times and quick access to your files, improving overall system responsiveness. The combination of a powerful CPU, sufficient RAM, and speedy storage ensures that the HP Elite Mini 800G9 can handle intensive workloads and provide a seamless user experience. One of the standout features of the HP Elite Mini 800G9 is its versatile connectivity options. It includes multiple USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, and an Ethernet port, providing you with all the connections you need for peripherals, monitors, and network access. The inclusion of USB Type-C ensures compatibility with modern devices and faster data transfer speeds. Additionally, the desktop features Wi-Fi 6 for fast and stable wireless connectivity, ensuring you can stay connected without interruptions. These extensive connectivity options make it easy to set up a comprehensive workstation that meets all your professional needs. The HP Elite Mini 800G9 also excels in graphics performance. With integrated Intel UHD graphics, this desktop can handle everyday business tasks with ease, including video conferencing, presentations, and light multimedia editing. The high-quality visuals and smooth performance make it an ideal choice for professionals who require reliable and powerful graphics capabilities. In terms of user experience, the HP Elite Mini 800G9 is designed with convenience and ease of use in mind. The pre-installed Windows 11 Professional operating system provides a user-friendly interface, making it easy to get started right out of the box. The desktop also includes various ports for easy expansion and customization, allowing you to add additional storage or upgrade components as needed. The quiet operation of the cooling system ensures that you can work without being distracted by noise, providing a comfortable and enjoyable user experience. The HP Elite Mini 800G9 is also designed with security and manageability in mind. HP has integrated advanced security features to protect your data and devices. The desktop includes HP Sure Start, which automatically recovers the BIOS from attacks or corruption. Additionally, it offers remote management capabilities, allowing IT departments to manage and secure devices from a central location. These features ensure that your workstation is not only powerful but also secure and easy to manage. The HP Elite Mini 800G9 is also energy efficient, consuming less power compared to traditional desktop workstations. This not only helps reduce your energy bills but also makes it an eco-friendly choice. The efficient cooling system ensures that the mini PC runs at optimal temperatures, preventing overheating and ensuring long-term reliability. In conclusion, the HP 2024 Elite Mini 800G9 PC business desktop computer is an outstanding choice for professionals and businesses looking for a powerful and compact computing solution. Its sleek design, robust performance, and advanced features make it a top-tier desktop that delivers exceptional value. Whether you're a designer, engineer, or business professional, this workstation has something to offer for everyone. The combination of aesthetic appeal, powerful performance, and user-friendly features makes it a great investment for enhancing your professional workspace. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.